Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So today we are going to learn how to add drop effect on graphic elements in Canva. So firstly, we will need a background here. And then we will need to add a graphic element. So you can add any graphic element you want. I already have selected one. So I'm just gonna open it. And then what you need to do is you need to change the background color to white because we will need to remove the background, so it will be easier for the background remover. So we will just now we need to download this image. So firstly, before downloading this image, we will need to edit this image and make the color look black. And there isn't any option for graphic element to change its color. So there's a trick here. You need to decrease the brightness to -100 and increase the contrast to 100. Oh, wait a minute. And then you need to decrease the saturation to 100, and there you go. It has turned into black. Okay. So now just download this image. Click on download. It is downloading. It's completed. Now what we need to do is go to background remover. It's a really good website. So click on it and click on upload image and select your file. And there you go. It has perfectly removed the background. So just download this image. And now what we need to do is just make it look like as it was before. Okay, so that color is back. And now what we need to do is upload the file that we have just made, the one which we have removed background from. Open that image. The reason why we made it black is so that it looks like a shadow. Shadow is black, right? So simply select that image, and we need to make it look larger than the original element. Okay. Alright, so it's looking a bit larger than the original element. So you need to choose which direction you want the shadow to look. If you want in left direction, you can choose in left, or maybe in right. I'm just going to select in right. Okay. Now we need to edit this image. So click on adjust and then click on blur and maybe decrease the brightness so that it looks more black. And also increase some contrast. You can play around with the settings. I'm just gonna do this quickly. And also you need to play around with the transparency so it looks a bit more original. Okay, so this is looking a bit fine to me. Now the important part, what we need to do is send this image in background. Okay, so you need to right click on this image and send to back. Okay, there you go. It's looking perfect. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you soon. Have a good day.